I was like, what? He's gonna send this? He already gave up. And then he left the chat. Yo, we back with another video. And today we got a video on a scammer trying to scam me. So let's get into it. So first things first, when you're selling on these apps, make sure you're looking around, like to make sure that the person's account been active, that they want to pay through the app or so-and-so. Usually a red flag for me sometimes is them asking where you located or how long you had it. The how long you had it is usually a big red flag. So I take almost just about anything, Cash App, Zelle, anything. And I know Zelle is very hard to be scammed through. So I'm all like, okay, he can Zelle it to me. So I said, send me your address too. So, I'm just trying to make sure he sent me something. So he asked, what's your Zelle info? And I just left him on red because I was already fishy. So about 3 hours later, he come back and send me his address. The address looks about right. So I'm all like, okay. I sent him my email number for the Zelle. The problem is he asked, how much is he sending? Wouldn't you know how much you're sending because you're purchasing the item? Which threw me off again. I was like, okay, I see what this is. So when he said he successfully sent it, I said, okay, let me go check it. I ain't get nothing from Zelle. Only thing I got was an email. Like an email for real. I was like, okay, I definitely seen this on TikTok. I know what this is. He's trying to scam, right? So I said, let me go ahead and make this a game. I said, you was quick to send this long message back and check out what he sent me. I was like, what? He's gonna send this? He already gave up. And then he left the chat. I was like, that is wild. That is wild for real.